You are all welcome once again to my channel. A very big thank you to all of you who subscribed, and then to all those who haven't subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. In this telecast, I've identified and corrected some errors in English. Let's move on.
You're welcome. It's very polite to say thank you to someone after they've done something nice or helpful. But did you know that you're welcome isn't the only way to respond when someone thanks you? Here are a few more ways to say you're welcome in English. You got it. Don't mention it. No worries. Not a problem. My pleasure. It was nothing. I'm happy to help. Not at all. Sure. Anytime. Instead of always saying you're welcome, you can replace it with the above mentioned phrases. Comparing two things or individuals. For example, the price of this mobile phone is higher than yours. Incorrect. The price of this mobile phone is higher than that of yours. Correct. While comparing two things or individuals, than is followed by the pronoun that. Let's look at the difference between the office is open and the office is opened. For example, the office is open between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. every day. In the above sentence, open is an adjective describing a state. It is possible to say the office is opened, but it does not have the same meaning as the office is open. In this sentence, opened is the past participle of the verb open. This is a passive construction, and it describes the process of opening up the shop, putting a key in the lock, and opening the doors. You could say, for example, the office is opened every morning by the headmaster, and it is closed every evening by the assistant headmaster. Ostensibly, this is an unusual statement to make. All protocols observed. Protocols are systems of rules that explain the correct conduct and procedures to be followed in a formal situation. If all protocols are observed, it means the speaker or writer is claiming that the relevant niceties have been followed. During an occasion, the speaker needs to try as much as possible to address all dignitaries present. It is inappropriate to say all protocols observed when the speaker is trying to address the dignitaries. Let's look at the reasons. 1. It is clearly a lie. Under normal circumstances, you have not observed all protocols. It is just a claim that the necessary rules of propriety have been observed, but we all know the protocol was overlooked. For instance, if you had been asked to pass a vote of thanks, would you thank one or two people and then state all thanks given? 2. There are other ways to observe protocol without having to mention each and every dignitary present. You can use a general phrase to address all that fall within a certain category. For example, honorable delegates, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, your excellencies, my lords, etc. That way, due diligence is paid. 3. It is not necessary to use that expression when protocol has indeed been observed. At times, the speaker does indeed take his or her time to mention the dignitaries in the audience in order of precedence, but spoils it by concluding the list with all protocol observed. If protocol has indeed been observed, then that will be apparent to the audience and therefore redundant to include that out of place phrase. Let's take a look at this. Ladies and gentlemen, all protocols observed. This phrase means you know who you all are. Just take it as read that I have listed you as correct protocol dictates. Okay? I could not have said it better. Without much ado, without further ado. In an attempt to say without further delay, many people say without much ado. That's incorrect. The correct way to say this is without further ado.
Thank you very much for watching this video. I have other amazing videos on my channel. You can check them out. I'll see you next time. Bye.